Welcome back to Purpose Path TV Global, where we bring you global nursing opportunities, honest facts, and real pathways. Today's video is about a destination many nurses ask about, Kuwait. I'll break down what you can expect in terms of salary and benefits, which recruitment agencies and hospitals are actively hiring overseas nurses, what you must check before you sign any contract, how to apply safely, with documentation and verification. If you've ever considered working in the Gulf, this is a must-watch. Section 1. Why Kuwait? Kuwait has a fast-growing healthcare sector. Many private and public hospitals are expanding staff. For foreign nurses, Kuwait offers tax-free income, which can mean higher net savings than many Western countries. For many nurses, especially from Africa and Asia, Kuwait represents a shorter-term opportunity to build savings, support family, or gain foreign work experience before moving on. Demand spans general wards, private clinics, ICU, maternity, elderly care, giving many entry points depending on your specialization. Section 2. What nurses earn in Kuwait. Typical salary plus benefits. Entry or general practice nurses can expect around 600 KWD/month in many recent job adverts. Specialist roles, ICU nurses, private hospital nurses, senior nurses, often earn higher, plus receive tax-free salary, housing or housing allowance, food allowance, sometimes flight reimbursements. Because pay is tax-free and with allowances, many expatriate nurses find net earnings favorable, especially if they plan to send money home or save. Depending on allowances, housing, transport, overtime, total monthly take-home value can significantly exceed basic pay. What affects pay? Whether hospital is public or private. Level of specialization, ICU, or maternity, seniority. Experience/skill level. Contract terms, allowances, overtime, shift differentials, benefits. Section 3. Agencies and hospitals hiring overseas nurses. Here are known recruiters and hospitals that recently advertised vacancies for foreign nurses. Recruiter/hospital what they offer/notes. Dynamic Health Staff, DHS, frequently lists Kuwait nursing jobs for overseas nurses. Scholar Overseas handles foreign nurse recruitment for Gulf countries including Kuwait. WAFID Medical posts registered nurse jobs for Kuwait. Useful job board/advert platform. New Moassat Hospital, private hospital known to hire expatriate staff. Adverts for registered nurses. Dar al-Shifa Hospital has previously advertised staff/assistant nurse roles. Royal Hayat Hospital, private/specialized/maternity. Recruits for maternity, NICU, specialized nursing roles. Often accepts international applicants. Dosman Diabetes Institute/specialized clinics for specialist or senior nurses. Sometimes advertises for expatriate nurses. Where to search jobs. Gulf job portals. Gulf Talent, Gulf, Bait, Indeed Kuwait, update frequently. Recruiter websites, like Dynamic Health Staff, WAFID Medical, etc. LinkedIn, some hospitals post expatriate vacancies. Hospital career pages, for private hospitals like Moassat, Royal Hayat. Section 4. What to check before accepting offer. Important precautions. Avoid scams or bad contracts. Verify hospital/agency legitimacy. Check if hospital is licensed by Kuwait's Ministry of Health. Confirm contract terms in writing, salary, allowances, housing, transport, food, shift schedule, overtime pay, benefits, flight/airfare support, license support. Avoid pay-to-get job requests. Legitimate employers should not demand large upfront placement fees from nurses. Check licensing requirements. Ensure you meet Kuwait's nursing license or expatriate foreign nurse requirements before accepting. Get written offer before travel, visa, working permit, residence, contract period, exit clause. Section 5. Step-by-step how to apply. Prepare your documents. Nursing certificate/degree, license, transcript, passport, CV, references, experience letters. Search job adverts via recruiter portals or hospital career pages. Contact the recruiter or hospital HR directly. Request written offer and contract copy. Confirm allowances, housing, food, overtime, transport, etc. Get visa/permit sponsorship confirmed. Employer should handle this. Plan relocation, visa, flight, accommodation, if provided or arranged. On arrival, register, validate credentials if required, start working, send home earnings or save. Section 6. Pros and cons. Is Kuwait right for you? Pros. Tax-free salary. Speedy job availability. Many hospitals recruiting regularly. Savings potential, especially if you support family back home. Diverse opportunities. Private hospitals, specialist clinics, maternity, general care. Cons/things to consider. Contracts need verification. Avoid exploitative offers. Licensing or credential recognition might be needed depending on hospital. Shift workload can be heavy depending on hospital and specialization. Cost of living/accommodation if not provided. Cultural adaptation. Climate. Homesickness. Final encouragement and call to action. If you are a nurse dreaming abroad, Kuwait can be an opportunity when approached carefully. Before traveling, ask the tough questions. Confirm everything. Your life and career matter. Using this medium to say a big thank you to all our subscribers. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Purpose Path TV Global. Guiding purpose. Empowering lives. God bless you, and may favor locate you in every attempt.